फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एमसीक्यू, और एमसीक्यू में भी फर्स्ट है इन द एंशिएंट टाइम मैन यूज्ड टू राइट ऑन विच थिंग्स। द आंसर इज सी, इनर बार्क ऑफ ट्री। ओके। सेकंड नंबर है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सोर्स टू नो हिस्ट्री। द आंसर इज डी, व्हीकल। थर्ड नंबर है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग राइटिंग्स लास्ट लॉन्गर। तो ए, रिकॉर्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स वेर रिटन ऑन द थिन बार्क ऑफ विच ट्रीज ऑफ हिमालय। तो बी, बीच। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे यहाँ पर है व्हाट आर द आर्टिकल्स रिटन और कार्व्ड ऑन मेटल्स एंड स्टोन कॉर्ड। तो ए, मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट। 6 नंबर inscription of which ruler are very famous। तो डी, अशोका। 7 नंबर by which name is the learner of historical source known। तो डी, archaeologist। 8 number with the help of researches of historians we get the glimpse of great civilization of India, this flourish on the banks of which river in northwestern India। तो डी, Indus। 9 number what did the Iranians call the Indus river। तो सी, Hindus। 10 number what did the Greeks call the Indus river। तो B, Indus। 11 number from which Vedas do we find the name of Bharat। तो A, Rigveda। 12 number the chronology was started from the birth year of the founder of which religion। तो C, Christian। 13 number who is the founder of Christianity। तो A, Jesus Christ। 14 number very often how is chronology written instead of AD। तो A, CE। Question number 15 very often how is chronology written instead of BC। तो C, BCE। 16 number which of the following is not a manuscript। तो C, ताम्रपत्र। Question number 2 यहाँ पर है fill in the blanks। First, history gives information about past of human society। Second, social science introduces us to present social life। Third, archaeologists and historians brings the past to our life। Fourth number we know our country by two names, India and Bharat। Fifth number in ancient time people wrote manuscripts on the leaf of a palm tree। Sixth number Sri Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra is located at Koba in Gandhinagar। 7 number many times BP means before present word is used। 8 number archaeologists are the important scholars of the past। 9 number the information about human of ancient age in India is found from the manuscript written on Tadpatras and Bhojpatras। Question number 3 right wrong। First, history informs us about the changes that occurs in human life। तो right statement। Second, history take us to a different world of a present। तो wrong statement। Third, Tadpatra means a manuscript written on the bark of a palm tree। तो wrong statement। Fourth number the Bhojpatras of Ashoka are very famous। तो wrong statement। Fifth number the text of manuscript of ancient time are found in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil language। तो right statement। Sixth number coins are also the important tools sources to know history। तो right statement। 7 number Punchmark coins are oldest coin। तो right statement। 8 number the information about the modern age of India is found from the manuscript like Tadpatras and Bhojpatra। तो wrong statement। 9 number the word India is derived from Bharat। तो wrong statement। 10 number a group of people named Bharat came to settle in the South India। तो wrong statement। Question number 4 match the pairs correctly। First, record। आंसर आएगा 5 नंबर text engraved on stone or metal। सेकंड, ताम्रपत्र कॉपर प्लेट। आंसर आएगा 4 नंबर text engraved on copper plate। थर्ड नंबर BC, आंसर आएगा फर्स्ट बिफोर बर्थ ऑफ क्रिस्ट। फोर्थ AD, आंसर आएगा सेकंड अन्नो डोमिनो। सेकंड सेक्शन ए हिस्टोरिकल स्कॉलर्स, तो आंसर आएगा 3 आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट। सेकंड इंदूज, तो आंसर आएगा 4 नंबर सिंधु। थर्ड नंबर द म्यूजियम ऑफ ताम्रपत्र, तो आंसर आएगा 5 नंबर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडोलॉजी नवरंगपुरा। फोर्थ नंबर द म्यूजियम ऑफ मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट, आंसर आएगा सेकंड टेम्पल्स एंड मोंटेसरीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 सेंटेंस। फर्स्ट, विच आर द ओल्डेस्ट कॉइन ऑफ इंडिया? तो the Panchmark coin of the 5th era is the oldest coin of India. Second number, which are the sources to know history? तो ताड़पत्रस, भोजपत्रस, inscription, ताम्रपत्रस, coins, old buildings, bricks, stones, implements, means tools, food samples, bones of animals and human, diaries, etc. Question number 3, which information does social science gives us? तो information about history, geography, economics, social conditions, institutions, politics, present social life, etc. 4 number, what did the people use for writing in ancient time? तो the people used ताड़पत्र means palm leaves और भोजपत्र means birch bark for writing in ancient times. 5th number, in which languages are the writing texts found in manuscript? So in manuscript, the writings texts are found in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil language. 6 number, the writings on which historical sources are long lasting? So the writings on the historical sources known as stone or metal inscription are long lasting. 7 number, what are the Tamrapatras? So the writings texts engraved on the copper plate sheet are called Tamrapatras. 8 number, how did the king use Tamrapatra? So the king used Tamrapatras by engraving information about their administration and donation charity on the copper plate sheet. 9 number, which foreign travelers came to India in ancient times? So the foreign traveler like Megesthenes, Palini, Fahian, Huan Tsang, etc. came to India in ancient times. 10 number, by which two names is our country known? So our country is known by the two names of India and Bharat. 11 number, with which river of India were the people of ancient Iran and Greece familiar? So the people of ancient Iran and Greece were familiar with the Indus, Sindhu river of India. 12 number, in which work of Sanskrit is a group of people called Bharat mentioned? The group of people called Bharat is mentioned in Sanskrit's earliest work Rigveda. 13 number, with which chronology has the time dateline of the word been associated? The time dateline of the word has been associated with the birth of Christ. 14 number, why is the AD word used for chronology in our country? The Christian religion is associated with the most of the countries of the world. Therefore, like many countries, AD word is used for the chronology in our country. 15 number, how many years ago had the cities developed in the areas around the Ganga river? So the cities had developed 2500 years ago in the areas around the Ganga river. 16 number, who bring the past to our life? The archaeologist and historian bring the past to our life. 17 number, which bank of Indus river was known as India by the Iranian? So the east bank of Indus river was known as India to the Iranians. Explain the following term. First है ताड़पत्रस. तो ताड़पत्रस means the manuscripts of articles written on the leaf of palm tree are known as ताड़पत्र. Second है भोजपत्र. तो the manuscripts or articles written on the thin bark of beech found in Himalayas are called भोजपत्र. Third number है inscription. Writings carved on stone are known as inscription. Fourth number पंचमार्क coin. So the coin created by pressing metal piece in the molds are known as पंचमार्क coin. 7 number, give historical reason for the following statement. First, king carved the inscription in ancient time. So in ancient times, kings got their order carved for conversing with people. They inscribed the information of their kingdom, victories, religion and culture on stones. The writing written on this inscription have been long lasting. Thus, in ancient time, the king carved inscription. Second number, historians, archaeologists are the scholars who study the past. So they collect the information from the manuscripts and the anecdote which are written on Tadpatras and Bhojpatra and interpret it properly. Apart from this, historians gives accurate information of their time by using historical sources to bring history to our life. They study historical sources. Thus, historians and archaeologists are the scholars who study past. Third number, coins are the important tools, sources to know history. So the information like the name of the king of that time is religion and culture as well as period of time is found on coins. On the basis of coins, the social, religious, economic and political structure of that state is known. Coin have become useful in getting much information about the times of the Greek kings, Maurya age and Gupta age. Thus, coins are the important tools to know history. Question number 8. Answer the following question briefly. First, explain the meaning of BC. So the meaning of BC is before Christ, which means before the birth of Jesus Christ. For example, 2000 BC years means 2000 years before the birth of Jesus Christ. Question number 2, 8 का. Explain the meaning of AD. So the meaning of AD means Anno Domino, which means after the birth of Jesus Christ. For example, 2000 AD means 2000 years after the birth of Jesus Christ. Third number. Where are the preserved inscriptions found in Gujarat? So the preserved inscriptions are found in Hemchandracharya Library of Patan, LD Institute of Indology in Navrangpura, Ahmedabad, BJ Learning and Research Studies Vidya Bhavan, Ahmedabad, Sri Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra, Koba, Gandhinagar. Fourth number, which information is available on the basis of coin? So the information about the king's name, his religion and culture as well as the period of time is available. Social, religious, economic and political information are also available from the coin. Question number 9. Answer the following question. First, why should we study history? So history gives us information about past of human society, the information about our ancestors, their dwelling, their food, etc. is found in the study of the history. Based on the many important things of their life, the information about changes in the life of a human has been found in our history. History gives us the information about the customs and beliefs, diet and dresses of human life of many ages. So we should study history to know the past of human life. Question number 2. How is our country named India and Bharat? So our country is known by two names, India and Bharat. The word India is derived from Indus, which is called Sindhu in Sanskrit language. The Iranian called Indu River as Hindus and the Greek as Indus. The east bank of Indus River was known as India by Iranians. After a long time, our country was known as India. The name of Bharat is known from the Rig Veda. A group of people named Bharat came and settled in the northwestern India. By their name, our country is known as Bharat. Third one. How do historians and archaeologists study history? To know history, historians and archaeologists research information. They explore and dig out the historical resources to find the remains of houses, coins, bricks, stones, implements, smith tools, food samples, the bones of human and animals, etc. and study them. They inform us about the culture of that time. Historians collect the data by categorize the historical sources. They find and properly describe it. In this way, archaeologist and historian brings the past to our life. Okay, इसी के साथ फर्स्ट चैप्टर लेट्स नो द हिस्ट्री का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन यहाँ पर खत्म हुआ. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे सेकंड चैप्टर जर्नी फ्रॉम प्रिमिटिव मैन टू सेटल लाइफ. अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, like and share my channel. Thanks for watching my video.